Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into an essential feature of the Messenger app that many users overlook but is incredibly useful: unmuting message notifications from specific groups on your PC. With the latest update, managing your notifications has become even easier. If you're someone who finds themselves in a lot of group chats, it's easy to become overwhelmed and accidentally mute important conversations. So let's walk through the steps to ensure you never miss out on those important messages again. First, you'll want to launch the Messenger app on your PC. This may seem like a simple task, but it's essential to start from the right place. Once you're logged in, take a moment to navigate your chats and locate the specific group that you want to unmute. It's often helpful to scroll through your conversations or use the search function if you can't find it right away. Once you've identified the group, look toward the top of the chat window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. You're almost there. Finally, click on Unmute from this menu. And just like that, you're back in business. You will now receive notifications from that specific group, ensuring that you stay updated and engaged in the conversation. Managing your message notifications efficiently can make a world of difference, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember to keep your notifications tailored to your needs. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates about the Messenger app and other tech tools.